Hi, my name's Lydia. I'm a Karuna Reiki Master and Energy Channel, and today is day 12 of Reiki Every Day. If you would like to receive, please interact with this video, and let's get started. Please take a deep breath in. I'm getting a lot of information about decoding the inner world, about pulling shame away from the senses, about allowing oneself to be so present. About taking this opportunity that may have some heaviness or some weight behind it, and allowing it to become something beautiful, allowing it to, before your eyes, change, and not having to have an explanation for why it did, and just appreciating all it did bring for you, all it did bring forth. Where do you question yourself? Where do you hold yourself back from flow in the name of perfection, in the name of adequacy, in the name of being anything other than what you divinely are here to be? Because what you're here to create, what you're here to bring, only you can bring through. So you must be the one to flow it. No one else can do that for you. What do you bring with you to bring you strength? What do you have a relationship with within that isn't? What ally do you have within? Where do you realize your strength in you, beside you, around you, surrounding you? Where do you feel encouragement and the bellows of your ancestors breathing on your sacred fire? Where do you feel? Where do you feel the ancient rainforests calling you forth to bathe in them, to allow your roots to reach down with them? Where do you allow yourself to feel the thunderstorm? Where do you allow yourself to feel the charge of the particles in the air where you are alive and free in this moment? What do you bring with you? What do you bring with you? Have you connected today? Have you connected this week? Have you connected this month? Have you taken time? What is it? What is it that makes you feel alive? What is it that's worth showing up for, worth being for? What is truth? What is truth? What is it? Look around you. Feel truth surrounding you. Feel it in your pulse, in your breath. In the tickle in your throat. Feel it in whatever way you are meant to be felt. Do not press things so firmly into your reality that you bruise yourself in an effort to create and nurture. Do not push things upon yourself so forcefully that you do not allow the universe to surprise you with bigger and better than you are able to conceive. Allow divinity to be present in your life. I'm just going to hold my hands out for a moment because that's what I'm being called to do. So. It's so easy to get into the flow of ideas that we forget the flow of what it is to feel. How can we unify consciousness and the body? How can we fully exemplify our experience and integrate our truth into that? Where are there systems already built to support everything you're looking to create? I'm sending you so much love. Allow yourself to integrate. Allow yourself to write everything you think down. Allow yourself to empty and then sit presently with yourself. In whatever way you're able to. It's important. If this session was helpful, please interact with it in some way. If you are seeking further support, I offer one-on-ones on a donation basis through Discord. So if you would like to get deeper into the work that is opening up here, get a hold of me. I would love to work with you. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow for day 13. I love you.